part 2, guys. This is part 2. I'll do it, Mama. I'll do it. I want to mix it.
Galan.
I like to move it. I want to. Okay, never mind. Yeah, baby. Okay, never mind. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. I hope we won't burn it in the oven because I hate ovens. Or at the thing, I forgot. I need to be careful. I actually need a napkin or not. Oh, why not that one? But I don't know if my mom cannot let me or not. Oh my gosh. Wait. I'm gonna flip here so you would see my mom. What they're doing. Did you even fart? You farted? No. Oh my gosh, look what happened. Did you farted? Are you what? Oh, never mind. Bro, oh my gosh. Forget what you're doing because my sister's hand. Yeah, because my sister's hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how many? Wait, I'm gonna go to my mom in a moment, but I'll just pause, okay? Bye. Guys, I'm back. My mom is not here, with them. Because I just see what it's going on. Bro, I just need to mix more. Oh my gosh. Bro, how many? I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. I hate mixing now. Oh my gosh. To the last part, I just said that I like mixing, but no. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like someone just pooped here, but I like it.